We've just introduced a new feature at FastBots I think everybody is going to really like. Now, one of the benefits of using our chatbots is that they are multilingual, which means that people can use the chatbot in their own language. However, if you are the owner of the chatbot and you want to see and understand the various conversations that the chatbot has been having with users, sometimes that can obviously present a problem because you're getting all of these different foreign language conversations taking place that you don't understand without using some kind of a plugin like Google Translate, which is obviously a bit of a pain to have to use and to go through each conversation like that. So now what we can do here is we're able to select the language of our choice. So in this case, I'm going to pick English, and then now every different conversation here that is in a different language is going to be translated for me. So I can just go ahead and pick them out. I'm going to pick this one and this one here and so on, and just go and pick the conversations that have come through in foreign languages, and then it will do a nice, quick and easy translation for us. So there we are. I'm happy with that selection, or I'll pick this one down the very bottom here as well. It looks to be in Chinese, and then this one here that looks to be perhaps in Italian. And then I just click translate, and then you'll see that in this column here it just says translating, and in just a few seconds this will all be translated. Now, while that's taking place, it's also worth noting that if you click configure conversation emails, so if you're having these conversations emailed to you, you can enter your email address there, or even multiple email addresses with a comma separating them. You can also automatically translate the conversations on your chosen default language up here before they even get to you. So you'll just have them come through translated, ready to go by email, which is a really useful feature that I'm sure you'll agree. So if I refresh the page now, we can see at the moment this looks to be in German perhaps, and this one maybe Arabic. I'm just going to refresh the page, and there we are. We can see it's fully translated, and if we go into the conversation, we can see everything that was said. And there it is. How can I implement the bot on my website? Was the question, which of course I wouldn't have known. And then just here's another conversation. Very short one, albeit just a good evening. But there's other ones here as well. And if you recall, just there was one down here that was also in Chinese, I believe. And that one is just here. And there's another one we didn't translate just there. But there we are. So you can see a full conversation going on here that was in Chinese. So, and our platform's conversation is also translated because our chatbot would have replied in Chinese. So you now have the ability to go and translate all of these conversations anytime you want to. There's another one. We can just click translate. And again, it will do that in seconds. There it is. I believe that one may be in Greek. Let's just take a little look at that. And there we go. Write an article. Somebody's trying to get our chatbot to write an article. And of course, it won't do that because it's trained not to do that at all. So works really well. I hope you really like this new feature and you find it easier to understand all of the conversations that our AI chatbots are dealing with for you. Thanks for watching.